Hi guys, всем привет, добро пожаловать, welcome to my channel. Today I'm back with another easy protein bowl recipe, and today is one of my favorite flavors. It's cinnamon. So we're gonna be making cinnamon bowls today. They are so yummy. Honestly, they're so addictive that I had quite a few and they didn't last long in my fridge. So I just love cinnamon. So if you're a cinnamon lover, this recipe is 100% for you and you're gonna love it. I really hope you enjoy this video. To get access to all my recipes, you can join on my website and become a member today. I have left all the information down below in the description box how you can become a member. Now let's get started. Into your food processor, you're going to add your gluten-free oats together with cinnamon, added some almond flour and vanilla protein. I'm also going to add my sweetener. You can use maple syrup, honey, or any other sweetener that you like. I'm also going to then add my delicious cashew butter. Once it's all formed and nice, you want to scrape down the sides and just test it with your hand. If the mixture is coming together and sticks to your hand, that means it's done and it's ready. You might need to add more maple syrup or nut butter if the mixture gets a bit too dry. You'll be able to tell once you've mixed everything together. You're then going to roll into 1 and 1.5 inch bowls your mixture, and then place it onto a board or a cookie tray with some parchment paper underneath. I'm just going to eat these straight away, so I'm putting them on my board. And ideally you want to leave them in a fridge for a few days, or you can also freeze them for about 20 to 30 minutes and then transfer them into a Ziploc bag and keep in the freezer up to 6 weeks. They're so delicious. I always add extra cinnamon as well once they're all frozen to coat it around, because I love cinnamon and they taste so yummy. If you're a cinnamon fan, you're gonna absolutely love these protein bowls.